Here's my house tour. This is my world. There's a chicken. It's on easy because I'm lame. And I've only ever played on easy. And I've renovated my house. It was a little tiny small boy, but it was kind of ugly. And I also built a barn and put all these trees here. So we'll have a tour. Oh, fuck. I'm so hungry. I don't know if you just heard my stomach grumble. We'll start here. Well, here's my house. Here's some bush to 9/11. We'll look at my farm first. Here's a well. My old barn used to be here. That's why there's a chicken there. Sugar cane, wheat. There was a bee hive, and I was able to get the honey, but I don't know where the bees went. I don't know if they died. Carrots, beetroot, potatoes, melon. There's the ocean. I believe this is spawn, but I did like a weird loop around because there's like a boat over there, another boat, and a boat over there. Or shipwreck, whatever the hell the actual name is. So heading back, see the inside of the house. I put vines on it and then they grew, because it took me forever to make the barn. But here's the outside. There's a wonderful chair. Nice deck chair. And I don't know what this is. But here's the inside. My cats do not shut up. Here's a table with chairs. They're so far away because I use trapdoors. Plant. Fireplace with netherrack in there. My TV looks kind of weird. This is coal. Carpet. I should probably hide glowstone under here. I haven't done that yet. Oops. Here's the area. I don't know what this is. Here's my stuff. Here's what I have so far. When I first was mining, I died 2 times to lava, and I had a bunch of diamonds on me, so I lost it. I found a slime once. I got this disc from watching a skeleton kill a creeper. I didn't find it. I only have 2 ender pearls. I died in lava with one of them once, because that's how dumb I am. And I have a bunch of wood, I think. There was originally a mountain over here. It was like this high maybe, with a bunch of trees over it, and I dug it out to put trees and stuff there. So I had a lot of stuff. Ferni. Here's the deck. I don't know what banner that is. I just made it. Another chair. Bunch of trees. Chimney. I know, fancy. I'll go downstairs first. This originally had all my chests because my other house is very small. Here's the mine, and I don't know what the hell I was doing. This is how big the original house was. And it goes down here. And I'm gonna have to walk all the way back up. That goes down, and then I did strip mining to look for diamonds. And I found a bunch of caves, a bunch of spawners, and I died a bunch of times because I'm a noob. And I suck at this game. Back up. Water source. Mobs kept spawning, so that's why there's so many torches. And here's the portal. I had to make it weird to fit in this new basement. I do have I had 11 blaze rods, if you didn't see, so at least I can kill blazes. So here's the landing for the second floor. You got stained terracotta because paintings don't come in 6 thing. Sapling, whatever that is. Here's this top. Here's my bedroom. Ooh. My big fancy bed with my cats. Wow. And a windowsill, a plant on the windowsill. Another one there. vines all over the windows because they won't stop growing and it's annoying. Some more chairs by the fireplace. It's supposed to be a wardrobe with this, which I'm obviously never going to use. I have iron, and then nothing's in these chests. More windowsills, I guess that's what that is. Go up. Oh, here's the more chairs, an enchanting area. Just a bunch of bookshelves. I have no idea. I haven't enchanted anything yet because I'm done. And you can use this water to get down. It originally went all the way down, and there's a spiral staircase. And I got rid of it because it was being annoying. And then I had water like going straight down, and it's also being annoying. So, I took it out of my life. And let's go to the barn. Ooh, ah. I like just planted all these trees. Yeah, there's still some saplings, but they're like some big juicy boys right here. I just made this barn, and already the vines have like overgrown it. Let me add more stuff right here. There's a bunch of trees. Yeah, there's a huge mountain right here, and I got rid of it, and it's very annoying. Here's the barn, big and open. I have a donkey. I got 2 saddles. I think from a village, I can't remember. Which I think this is the fast boy. Yeah, this is the fast boy. Jesus Christ, I have a lot of pigs. Sheep. Oh, I found these alpacas one time when I was exploring, and only one of them has like this much, and the rest of them are weak boys. But I stole them from the mountain where they lived. They're mine now. Yes! I haven't seen this yet. Yes! I'm so happy. I didn't even know they could do this. Where if you just have a sapling, they'll just grow. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm gonna have to lure them over to my farm where that other box is. Because the other one's dead. Is there another? Oh, here's the original. The original's like over here somewhere. Oh, it's down here. So when I first spawned in, there was one just like there. Here it is. Oh, I'm hallucinating. Here it is. I found it. And like, I don't know where they went. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. My stomach is like making weird noises. Okay, I'll have to keep that in mind so I can... Oh my god, where did it go? So I can breed the bees. I did not know that could happen. Oh, well, here's the pond. I made a pond. Ta-da! Oh my lord, that's so much vines. Jesus Christ. Yeah, there's just a pond. Trees, more trees. Animals from the side with a barn and this big juicy boy right here. A big open area, which I made flat. There's like a village over there, and then there's like another one that way, and then another one even farther that way. And that's about it. That's my, MTV crib. What the hell? How did it get over there? What? What are you doing? What the hell? How'd you get over here so fast? I'm losing my mind. I don't know what's going on. But there's my crib. I don't know. I'm bored. Like the video.